Oh, good girl. What animal says cock-a-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doo! What animal says that? What's this?
Rooster.
Oh, good girl! Oh, good boy! Oh, good job! Excellent! Oh, good job! Rooster! Everyone say rooster! Rooster! Yeah, today we are going to make a rooster! Who wants to make a rooster? I did! Well, I'm going to show you something very special. I think I have one here. So, let me put this up on the board. What was that? Did you hear something? What's that? What was that? Hey? What is it? What is it, baby? Rooster? Rooster? Really? Where? Behind me? Hey? Where? Where is he? Here? Where? Here, that's right. Look, rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah, rooster, look. Today, we're going to make a monkey. Rooster. It's not a monkey, is it? Yeah, look, he's got a little tail feather. Yeah. Now, does a rooster have arms? No. No arms. What are these? Do you know? Feathers, yeah. But what are they? They're wings. Wings. Very good. And wings are what helps birds to fly, yes? But guess what? A rooster cannot fly. No. He can flap his wings, but he only goes very small distance. Yeah, like a penguin. They can't fly either, can they? No, penguins can't fly. That's right. Now, a rooster has wings. Everyone say wings. Wings. Good girl. And look up the top. Oh, what's this? Hair? No, it's not got hair. We don't call this a hair because it's not hair. This is called a comb. Very good. Comb. Very good. And oh, what's this? Mouth and his nose all in one. And we don't call it his mouth or his nose. We call this part a beak. Beak. Very good. Wings. Comb. Beak. Okay, now, what sound does a rooster make? Oh, good job! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Alright, and they also go move their necks forward as they walk. Do you guys want to be roosters? Yes? Okay, everyone stand up. Stand up, stand up. Alright, now, to be a good rooster, okay, we need to put our arms like this, because we're going to make small wings. We need to push our chest forward, like this, and we scratch the ground with our feet. Okay, like this. Ready? Come on, let's go, roosters! Cock-a-doodle-doo! good. Now, roosters can be many different colours. So today, we're going to make colourful roosters. Now, first of all, let's make a purple! Purple! Yeah? Is this really purple? Pink, very good. Good job, Canada. It's not purple. That's not purple. It's pink. Okay, so we're pink. Let me see. Light blue, that's even better. Excellent. So, I want to make purple. Can I put pink and blue together? Do you think that will be purple? Yes? No? No? Okay, well why don't we have a look? Let's see what happens. If I get a little bit of pink, pink, and I take a little bit, hey, that one hasn't been mixed up, this is brand new. Oh, got another one in there. Beautiful. And then I take a little bit of light blue. Let me see. Get my toothbrush. Not a toothbrush? Oh, a hairbrush? No, hairbrush? Ear cleaner? What's this? Paint. Very good. Paintbrush. Okay, so let's have a look. We got pink and blue, yes? What's going to happen when I mix? Mix. Oh! What color is this? Oh, purple! Cool! So, pink and blue makes purple. Oh, excellent! Good job! So we got purple paint. Alright, what other paint colours can we make? What about yellow and blue? What's going to happen then? Oh, there we go. What if I put yellow and blue together? What colour are we going to make? Who knows? Are you ready? Red? Yellow? Let's try. Yellow. Blip. Hey? Where's the yellow? Hey! Alright. We got yellow and a bit of blue. Maybe that's enough blue. Yellow and blue. Can everyone see yellow and blue? What's going to happen? Let's have a look. Mix. What color? Oh, wow, look! Green, right? Wow! So, yellow and blue makes green. Excellent. Alright, so let's just throw up a few extra colours. 1, 2, 4 colours should be enough. We might use a bit of pink. We might want a pink rooster for the girls. We might get a... Let me see. Oh, look at that! Black! Oh, alright, good job. Red. Oh, come on, there, get up there. There we go. Now, what else do we need? We need a little bit of water, don't we? Some water in with the paint. Water, water, water. Water, water, water. 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 I didn't hear anyone say water. What's this?
Water.
What?
Water.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Oh no! Look. Oh no! Did I get you in the water? Alright. So, I think you guys can do pink, yeah? Pink. Hand open like this. Like this way. This hand, open. Open. Okay. Open. Good job. Wow. Beautiful. Kano, why don't you put your hand, darling, like this, yeah? And then you can do it. Okay? Good job.
That's doing really good.
Lots of beautiful roosters. Good. Excellent.
Ritsu, sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Stand up. Sit on the chair. Very good. Here on, get more paint. Look. Don't be afraid. Oh, get that thing like this. Good. And all around the body, everything.
This way.
That way.
You're doing a good job, darling. Very good, Ritsu. All over the side. Here, look.
Here, see? Everywhere.